guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And to all the new subscribers, thank you so much everyone for subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I am decorating for 4th of July. And this decorating ideas, it will be neutral. You're not gonna see any red hair. But tomorrow, you're going to see my patriotic tablescape. But today, I am featuring my Vintage Liberty Blue Independence Hall Dinnerware. And I have some few new pieces that I'm going to show you in this plate. And to each and every one of you, happy 4th of July. Alright, let's get started.
This runner came from Home Goods. I do love the rustic and neutral color of this runner, and you can layer both of them. Here's my new addition of my Liberty Veil, and I will show that to you later. And over here is my leftover Christmas ribbon. And I can use this one for 4th of July. My placemat, that one came from at home. I do love the rustic look of it. And I'm sure they have this again because I got this one last year during summer. So if you're interested to have this, please check your at home. My charger came from Pure One 4 years ago. And as I mentioned earlier, this table setting, it will be a rustic, neutral, at the same time, a little bit of glam. Alright everyone, you've seen this plate before, my Liberty Veil Independence Hall Dinnerware, and I do love this very much because I can use this all year round. And at the same time, this is perfect for 4th of July. You don't need to put any red there because the plate by itself, it's picked exactly as a 4th of July. My inspiration came from outdoor, and that's why I decided to style with this neutral color. My salad plate, this one, I put a little bit of gold there because my candle holder, I do have a gold in it. And my salad plate, it is thrifted. And here's my new addition for my Liberty Veil Dinnerware. Shout out to Linda Johnson. I got this one from Facebook Marketplace, and she has more of Liberty Veil Dinnerware. If you guys are interested, just message me. So it's really hard to find the salad plate for this in the thrift store. That is why I decided to purchase online. The plate is smaller than the salad plate, so I believe this one is appetizer plate. My napkin ring came from Hobby Lobby, and my silverware came from at home. And I have this for a few years now, and for sure you've seen this before in my past table setting. Silverware, they still have this at home. And if you're interested, you can check your at-home store. The head of the table napkin, it will be different because I only have 4 of those beige color. So this one is a little bit of beige, a little bit of brown. And I got the napkin ring from Mark's grocery store, like 6 pieces of them for $1.99. And I got this name card holder right here from Hobby Lobby few months ago, and it's perfect on this table setting. My question for you, if you have this Liberty Veil plate right here, do you style this on 4th of July? And also guys, I would like to know if some of you over here are still styling your table in the 4th of July. Well, last year I did not style for the 4th of July. And this year, I decided to style it because of my plate. And also tomorrow, stay tuned because I'm going to style patriotic 4th of July. So you will see red, white, and blue there. My ginger jar right here, I love the pattern of this ginger jar. And I thrifted this one from Salvation Army for, I believe, $7. And it is made in Italy. And I remember I asked you guys before if I painted this ginger jar, and some of you said just leave it the way it is. And I'm glad I did not paint this ginger jar. Even the lid, it is very pretty. This water glass right here, I got this one from Hobby Lobby and it was on clearance for 90% off. And I regret I did not get the smaller one and I only paid 50 cents for those. And it was last year after summer. Alright everyone, so using this pillow right here in my guest room, and I also got this one from Facebook Marketplace, $7 for two, and it was 20 by 20. Welcome to my 4th of July tablescape featuring my Libertyville Independence Hall dinnerware. I hope you enjoy and happy 4th of July. Here's my new edition of my Liberty Blue, the historic colonial, and it is, I believe this one is appetizer plate or bread and butter. And the white and gold salad plate, it was thrifted from Goodwill last year and came from World Market. You don't need to put any salad plate on this dinnerware right here because the picture by itself, it is already pretty. And this is the back, Independence Hall. And the good thing about this one, as I said, you can style this all year round. You're going to see this red again right here on my home tour for Blue and White Chinoiserie on July 9th. And I have few friends that joining me in our Blue and White Chinoiserie tour. I love the simplicity of this water glass right here and I wish I got the smaller one. It is very pretty. And again, you can style it all year round. My placemat and my pillow have the same texture right here. And I decided to put a throw pillow because this is my signature on my tablescape. Over here, my name card holder. I think I got really lucky because I found my napkin ring at Mark's grocery store. And the name card holder came from Hobby Lobby. And here guys is one of my favorite thrift finds that I ever have. This ginger jar in person, it is very beautiful, and even the pattern of roses or flowers there, it is really pretty. And I'm very lucky to found that on Salvation Army in very affordable price. And to all Liberty Blue lovers, I hope this video inspires you. And please let me know what you think about my neutral 4th of July tablescape featuring my Liberty Blue Independence Hall dinnerware. And if you like my video today, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Happy 4th of July, everyone! Bye-bye! Be safe!